In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do the double exposure effect in Canva. This effect lets you blend two photos together, usually a portrait and a landscape or texture, to create a dreamy, artistic look. I'll walk you through each click slowly so you can follow along inside your own Canva design. First, open a design in Canva where you want to create the effect. It can be any size, like a social media post, a poster, or even a YouTube thumbnail. Once you're inside the editor, look at the left-hand side panel. You'll see different tabs like Templates, Elements, and Text. Find the one labeled Uploads and click on it. This is where you'll bring in the photos you want to blend. If you haven't added your images yet, upload two photos, one that will serve as your main base image and another that you want to overlay on top. For example, you might choose a portrait as your first photo and a mountain range, city skyline, or forest as your second. Make sure both are uploaded and ready to use. Now, click on your second photo in the Uploads panel. This is the image that will be used along with your base image in the double exposure. When you click it, Canva will place it onto your canvas. You don't have to arrange it perfectly right now. The main goal is just to have it added to your design, so Canva recognizes it as part of your project. Next, look back to that same left-hand toolbar and click on Apps. This section contains all the extra tools and integrations you can use inside Canva. Once the Apps window opens, go to the search bar at the top and type in Image Blender. This is the specific tool we'll use to create the double exposure effect without needing advanced photo editing skills. When Image Blender appears in the results, click on it to open the app. Canva will usually show a brief description and then load a panel with options. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, the app will ask you to choose your first image and then your second image, and it will blend them together automatically. You can experiment with the blend modes, opacity, and positioning until you get the look you want. Take your time adjusting the images, and don't be afraid to undo and try again. With a bit of tweaking, you'll have a clean double exposure effect ready to download and share.